Hello guys and welcome to my video. Today I will try to explain to you how to use data from the Excel table in order to create parametric modeled parts in the Solid Edge 2023. For example, I have chosen the welded flange for the pipes. And according to the standard EN 1092 1, the flange looks like this. What we need to do actually is to draw same profile sketch of the flange as it's shown on the datasheet. We will firstly do that. No need to define measurements now. We will add them later. I'll just move the window to my second monitor. First, what I like to do is to define the height. And then I'll just very quick draw the profile of the flange. Doesn't need to be so accurate. Let's just delete those relations. I couldn't find what this angle was of this this angle value is. I didn't find any information how much it is on the standard flanges, but I will say it's 75 degree. So we need to measure our parts exact the same way as it is on this sketch. First we will measure the diameters. We have this one, we have this one, then we have this one and this one. Now we will measure the lengths. And this two. And also the wall thickness. This is important for the welding. Now we will exit the sketch. We leave the sketch this way and we will go to extras and the variables. Now we have to add those values inside our variables in the Solid Edge. But we need to do it in the correct order. We need to create the values to generate the values same way as they are in the Excel table. I'll just move it to the side and we will see diameter A. We will now we will make a drawing of the smallest flange. So we will take all those values in the first column. It's 17.2. Then the next one will be diameter D. It's 90. And so on. The letter D says for the diameter, so I need that the value is actually round. This is not the diameter, this is the height. So the values are now the same, 70.2, 90, and so on and so on. Now what we have to do is to go back to our sketch and to import those values here in the sketch to link them with. This one is, let's see, H3. No, sorry, this is H2. This is H2. This is H3. This one was, sorry, this one was H2. This is the same one. So this is actually C2. And so on. We will just, you need, you need to do it according to this sketch. That's why I said that the values need to be placed correctly as on the sketch. We will just make them the same way as they are. And this one is S. As you can see, the program doesn't know the difference between small and big characters. You can write here all small characters or all big, it doesn't matter. Now the sketch is fully defined. We will revolve this body, add this sketch into a body, and we will add other features. Let's say the radius. Radius is also parametric defined, and it's called R1. The holes are for M12 screws, 14 millimeters. We will correct this one, 14. We will add some chamfers. Let's say 0.5. This diameter is also defined, and its value was, as I can remember, diameter. Okay, yeah. According to the data sheet, we have four of them. 4 holes for the bolts. Sorry, I made a small mistake. I just correct this value, number 4. We will just add some phases. Let's say 0.5 is okay for this size. And we will just choose material. It's stainless steel. And we will just save it according to our standard names. This means welded flange DN10 PN40 type 11 EN10. This is the standard name. And if you want to save the bigger flange out from this flange, you will just save under, and you will type here what's the next one, which I need. My last one was DN80, DN100 is the next one. We just type here DN100, we save it. We go back to our variables and we just copy all those values from the Excel table here. As you can see, the size already changed. What we need manually to change is are the holes. According to datasheet for the DN100, is it 100 or 200? 100. According to DN100, we have M20. M20. Yeah, that's okay. And we have 8 holes. We need to correct the pattern. We type here 8. We can also correct this one because this is small for this flange size. I will say 1 millimeter. And that's it. You also, the procedure is the same every time. You just need to copy your values and to make sure you correct other values which cannot be parametric defined. For example, the hole sizes. I could define this over the sketch, but I don't like this. I better like them to be defined over the features here because it is easy to manage. I hope you liked the videos and see you again in the next video.